Welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to connect Netgear Wi-Fi extender. Firstly, download the Nighthawk Netgear app from Google Play Store or App Store. You can also use a web browser to access mywifi.ext.net. Plug in your extender and wait for the power LED to turn solid green. On your phone or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's network like Netgear EXT. Navigate to the Nighthawk app or a web browser to mywifi.ext.net, accept the terms and conditions, then create a strong admin password for the extender. Pick 2 security questions for password recovery, and the app or setup page will guide you to select your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password to connect and set up a new SSID and password for your extender. Just click Apply and wait for the settings to update. Reconnect your phone, laptop or smart devices to the new extender network and enjoy your extended, faster Wi-Fi coverage. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.